Hi friends, welcome to my channel Fun and Learn with Soha, series Science Classes. Today's our topic is learning about Earth. This is a website named NASA Space Place. It's a new website. It's specially made for kids because there are many interesting things by which kids can learn and enjoy. This is a website. Here they are getting coloring pages of planets and some cartoon pictures. In a cartoon way, they are explaining about the satellites going to the planets and all the other things. So here let us go into the Earth category, and there we are going to get many options because Earth, our home planet, have many things in it which we have to learn. So let us start with the first thing, our moon. So in this video we are going to learn about moon's phases. What are the moon's phases? We have a slightly different view of the moon each night. We describe how the moon looks with the 8 moon phases or shapes. A new moon looks like this, completely dark. Next come a little bright moon which is waxing crescent. Next, first quarter which is the half moon from the right. Then is waxing gibbous, which is more than first quarter, and full moon, which is completely bright. Then is waning gibbous, which is little light, or we can say little dark from the right side. Then is third quarter, which is bright, halfly bright from the left. And at last but not the least, waning crescent, which is very little bright from the right. And again the same moon cycle repeats. If you have looked into the night sky, you may have noticed the moon appears to change shape each night. Some nights the moon might look like a narrow crescent, other nights the moon might look like a bright circle, and on other nights you might not be able to see the moon at all. The different shapes of moon that we see at different times of the month are called moon's phases. Why does this happen? The shape of the moon isn't changing throughout the month. However, our view of the moon does change. The moon does not produce its own light. There is only one source of light in our solar system, and that is sun. Without the sun, our moon would be completely dark. What you may have heard referred to as moonlight. This moonlight is actually sunlight reflecting off the moon's surface. The sun's light comes from one direction and it always illuminates, or we can say lights up. One half of the moon, the side of the moon that is facing the sun, the other side of the moon is dark. This is a small diagram which shows how it happens. On Earth, our view of the illuminated part of the moon changes each night, depending on where the moon is in its orbit or path around Earth. When we have a full view of the completely illuminated side of the moon, that phase is called a full moon. But following the night of each full moon, as the moon orbits around Earth, we start to see less of the moon lit by the sun. Eventually, the moon reaches a point in its orbit when we don't see any of the moon illuminated. At that point, the far side of the moon is facing the sun. This phase is called a new moon. During the new moon, the side facing Earth is dark. Here they are telling and explaining about the 8 moon phases in sentences. So let us read it. New moon. We cannot see the moon when it is unknown. Waxing crescent. We see the waxing crescent phase as a thin crescent opening to the left. First quarter. We see the first quarter phase as a half moon. Waxing gibbous. The waxing gibbous phase is between a half moon and a full moon. Waxing means it is getting bigger. Full. We see the moon completely illuminated during full moons. Waning gibbous. The waning gibbous phase is between a half moon and a full moon. Waning means it is getting smaller. Third quarter. We see the third quarter moon as a half moon too. It is the opposite half as illuminated in the first quarter moon. Waning crescent. We see the waning crescent phase as a thin crescent opening to the right. The moon displays these 8 phases one after the other as it moves through the cycle each month. It takes 27 days for the moon to orbit Earth. That means the moon cycle is 27 days long. So this is a small diagram where you can search for anything you want. Like this, it appears about some sentences of or definition of waning gibbous. You can full screen this and see. Till now, it's the last part. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Till my next video, bye bye.